Hey guys, Mr. Bean here. Welcome to the first part of my tutorial for my Lego Seabo. Today we're going to be starting off with the magazine and hopefully another part of the gun. Probably just going to be the mechanism box, starting off with the basics like the insides and stuff. But I mean, I guess we'll just start off with like one of the simpler parts of the magazine. I left it mostly together this time. The P90 tutorial, it was a lot more difficult because I took it all apart. So basically this piece, it's just one 3-stud long beam right there with two 3-stud rods going through it, and with a bunch of these connectors on it. You need 6 of these type connectors. And then we have a pin going through the middle, a 3-stud pin with these attaching onto here. So you've got these ones with the crosses in the middle and the 2 circles on the sides. And you take 2 5-stud rods, put them through there like that. You're done this piece now. You need to make 2 of these, okay? So this, I believe, is a 13-stud long piece. Oh boy, there's a spider. I got him. Okay, disgusting. Paper towel. Okay. What are these again? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So we got one pin going in there with 2 of these connectors on. And then one pin going straight in the top with 2 of these connectors as well. And 2 blue pins. Need 2 of these. Yeah, these are the same size. 2 15-stud long beams. 2 more 15-stud long beams. And a 5-stud axle with basically anything that adds up to this, like 2 half bushings or 1 full bushing. This will keep the elastic on, or like it's part of the elastic and stuff. So put that off to the side once you've made it. It goes up in the second hole from the top, or third one. Now this piece is a little more confusing. It's really not that difficult, I guess, but that's because I built this thing. So you need to make this. It's fairly straightforward, I believe. No. Okay. So yeah, you need to make one of these. And then, let's see here. So this is weird. It's like, you have this piece here. These are on the 3rd hole in. But on this one, these are from the 2nd hole in. So basically, you make 2 of them, except they're switched. These 2 are switched around. So just like take a look at that and build them. Pretty straightforward, I guess, if you're me, because I built it again. I believe this is a 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13-stud long beam here. This is a little slightly confusing. So you've got this 3 beam here, 2 pins in it. And then we have a 3-stud long beam going through here, and just a single pin through there. And then you just attach it on there. I don't know why I left it like this, loose on there, when I could have made it not, but whatever. So let's get this elastic going. This one, it's fairly straightforward. It's 2 7-stud long axles and a 5-stud long axle in the middle. And these are these 3-stud connectors. I'll get one here, bright orange, so it's easier to see. It's 2 of those in either side, and they're black here. So just basically try and make this. It's fairly simple, and like to get the elastic on, just make this part right here, and then take one of these connectors here, put a blue pin in one of these cylinders on it, and then put another cylinder on the end. That makes it 5 studs long. Put your elastic around it like this, and then grab this end and just pull it through. And that's how you make like the bullet feeder thing. Put it on. Hope this isn't going too fast, but I don't want these tutorials to be too long. Always pause. Make sure you pause it, okay? You're not going to be able to build this if you just keep, it playing. So, that's how you make, like, the basic parts of the magazine here. What's this piece doing here? It's not part of the gun. So let's put them all together now. This one here goes on. Yeah, so this is the one that's got this thing, 2 studs in. It goes on any side really because it's symmetrical, so it doesn't matter. But yeah, just slap it right on. Oh, it's very difficult to get on sometimes with all the pins. Gotta push really hard. So now what do? Kind of forget here. Oh yeah, put this like that. Take this piece and like put it there or something. Actually, these go on here. So yeah, these pieces go on here like that. And these other 15 stud pieces that I was talking about go on here. I completely forgot how it went, but now I remember. I'm sorry it's like so zoomed in. I need to get a bigger tripod. So yeah, this is basically what you should have right now. I went a little fast there. This is what it should look like. Now, actually, you pry it apart a little bit so you could put this piece in here. Probably should have put it in before. And then flip it up and put it in right here. Now, what you're going to want to do is take this, actually, pull that off, and then just flip it right around and make sure it's over that piece, and then just put that back on. Now we can take our 2 side pieces and attach them onto the side like this, and that will keep it all together. Here we go. Done. Went very fast, but it's relatively simple. Now you take your ammunition, 1, I forget how many shots, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, so you can fit 12 because I'm missing one here. So, I guess this is just going to be the first part here. First part, yeah. Whoa. Whoa. Sketchy. 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 Ah. Wow. I had this so perfectly balanced and now it's just like slipping out of my carpet. There we go. Sorta. So that's gonna end part 1 right here. The magazine.